What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about abandoned scheduling with Drift and how you can start to leverage the message that is sent after a meeting does not get booked. So Drift has a feature called abandoned scheduling, and what's awesome about abandoned scheduling is someone goes through one of your Drift playbooks and goes through qualifying and gets to the actual spot where they could schedule a meeting with you or one of your sales reps. If they don't actually book that meeting, then you can have an automatic follow-up that happens that gets sent out. Now, one of the coolest features, and what I'm going to go through and show you today, is we can customize that message at the company level so that you can bring across your company's personality more effectively. Now, where we're going to edit this is going to be in Settings. You're going to click App Settings, and then you're going to click DriftBot. As you scroll all the way down, you're going to see a spot for abandoned scheduling. Go ahead and click that. And when you open that up, you're going to get this dialog. Now, you may not have book more meetings scheduled here, but what you can do is you can go ahead and toggle that so that it's on. You can look at and see the subject line and also the message that's going to be sent, and you can get a little bit more information about how it works. But the long and short of it is, after 20 minutes of not being booked through a chat flow, an automatic email is going to be sent to the prospect who was engaging in the conversation. So this is an example of the actual message that's coming through, and you can go through and set your subject line, and then of course you can go through and you can set your email. Now, as you go through with this email, here's the default. You can take this message and modify it however you want. You're going to want to make sure that you're using some of these merge tags here, and you have the option of dropping in other personalization tokens as well. So anything that is collected by the tool, you could drop in here. Now, it's highly recommended that you keep this more general because, as I said earlier, this is a company level setting. So you're not going to want to go through custom personalization tokens that may not be in every playbook. You're going to want to keep these more general. So as you're doing that, think about how you can keep someone engaged and start the conversation online in an email after they have been disengaged from a chat. The idea is either to get them to schedule that meeting or to get back to your website so that they can learn some more, and so maybe throw in a PS or something like that. But once you're done there, you're going to go ahead and just click Save Changes. You can send a test email if you want to see how this message comes across. And here's a really great opportunity to see what it looks like. So we can scroll through and you can see that it's going to drop the actual availability right in the email. So this is a natural follow-up that can happen. And you can choose where that drops in just by setting this Sender Upcoming Availability. So that's it. That's how you can customize the email in the abandoned scheduling skill in Drift. If you'd like some help with conversational marketing or Drift, please feel free to reach out to me at RemingtonBeg on Twitter or in the comments of this video below. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to these daily tutorials, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.